choreographed by myself, Michelle Wright. It is a 32 count 4-wall beginner level line dance with no tags and no restarts. Now it is listed as a beginner, but I promise it is easy enough that even brand new dancers would be able to successfully do this dance. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We're then going to practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts before going around and doing 4 walls of the dance, so you can dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Dance Hall Junkie. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to take our right heel, you're going to tap it forward. Bring your right heel up to your left shin, do a hook. Your knee will be pointing slightly out to the side. Bring your right heel back down, tap it forward. Step your right next to your left. You're now going to stomp your left foot with your left toe facing towards the right. So face it inside. Swivel your left toe out to the left, back into the right, and then center and take weight onto that left foot. Let's try that part with some counts. Heel hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to start section 2 with your weight on your left foot. We're going to do a right rocking chair. Step your right foot forward. Recover back onto your left foot. Now step your right foot back. Recover onto your left foot. Step your right foot forward. We're going to do a left scuff. So the heel of your left foot is going to scrape against the floor, making a little bit of a noise. Step your left foot forward. Scuff your right heel forward. Let's try that with some counts. Rocking chair forward and back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3. Weight is on your left foot. We're going to step our right foot back. Step your left foot back. Step your right foot back and hit your left knee up. We're now going to repeat that, but with our left foot. So step our left foot back, right foot back, left foot back, hit your right knee up. Let's try that with some counts. You scuffed your right heel, your weight's on your left. We're going back with our right. 1, 2, 3, hitch 4, 5, 6, 7, hitch 8. Section 4, in our final section of the dance, we're going to do a grapevine with a scuff to the right. So we're going to step our right foot to the side, left foot behind, right side, and you're going to take your left heel and scuff it on the floor. We're going to do a grapevine quarter turn. Step your left foot to the side, right foot behind, make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot, and scuff your right heel, and that will start your dance all over again. Let's do that last section with some counts. We hitched our right knee up. You're doing a grapevine. 1, 2, 3, scuff 4, 5, 6, quarter 7, scuff 8. Ready to start the dance all over again. Now let's go all the way through, one time with steps, one time with counts before we go around and practice all the walls. Starting with your weight on your left foot, right heel forward. Heel, hook, heel, step, stomp, fan, fan, step. Right rocking chair. Step right, scuff left. Step, scuff, take it back, back, right, left knee, left, right knee. Grapevine with a scuff, grapevine quarter, turn and scuff. Let's try it with some counts. Weights on your left foot, we're doing our right heel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. You just dance it all the way through. You don't have to worry about any tags or restarts. So now let's go all the way around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls will have our counts. Weight is on your left foot. We're starting with our right heel. Heel, hook, heel, step, stomp, fan, fan, step, rocking chair. Step, scuffs. Now walk it back, back, right, left, knee, left, knee. Grapevine with a scuff. Grapevine quarter turn, scuff heel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Heel, hook, heel, step, stomp, fan, fan, step, right rocking chair, step, scuff. Walk it back, right, left, right, knee, left, right, left, knee. Grapevine with a scuff. Grapevine quarter turn and scuff. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. And if you want to make it harder or you like to add turns into your dance, some styling options that you can add into this to either increase the difficulty or make it more of your own are, when we do that rocking chair, instead of doing a right rocking chair, you can make it 2-step half pivots. That would increase the difficulty and allow you to do a little bit of a turn. The other place that you can add some turns in is you can make those grapevines to the right and left, rolling grapevines with a scuff, rolling grapevine quarter scuff. And you could totally change that whole thing by making them roll, and that will make them a little bit harder. So if you want to make them rolling grapevines, you're going to go quarter, half, quarter, scuff, quarter, half, half, scuff. And then you're ready to start the dance all over again. I hope this helps you learn Dance Hall Junkie. It does go to some other country songs, so if you're interested in any song alternative, please send me an email and I can let you know. Thanks guys so much, and I hope you enjoy.